Hello students, today we are going to do some skill book work of our first chapter, which is senses and people. So as you know that we have done some activities in the previous presentation. Now only the two activities are remaining, and they are activity 1.10 and activity 1.13. Activity 1.11 and activity 1.12 cannot be done at home, so we will do it when the school starts. Now I'm reading activity 1.10 and then I'll explain it to you, and then you have to do it. Okay, this is a small experiment about tree barks or textures. So tree bark rubbing. Tree barks have different textures. Most are rough, but some are smooth. As I told you that some of the things have smooth surface and some of the things are rough in texture. So the things that you need to perform this experiment are some paper, crayons and tree bark. So now what you have to do is use paper and crayons to make bark rubbings of two different kind of trees. Now what you have to do is you have to find two different kind of trees that have rough texture and the tree that have smooth texture, and then you have to paste your paper on the tree and draw with your crayons. Write down the type of texture that each tree has. Now you have to paste the paper on which you have draw the texture of a tree bark, and then you have to paste that paper on the next page, which is on page 16, and also you have to write the texture of the tree. Activity 1.13 Revision Puzzles. Use the clues below to complete the puzzle on the next page. Now here you have given some clues across and clues down, and you have given the numbers of each of the clue that you have to guess in the puzzle, and you have given a puzzle which you have to complete. First of all, complete the clues and then complete the puzzle. Now the one that are given in the column of down are going to be written from vertically, and the clues that are given in the column of across are going to be written horizontally in the puzzle. Now the first clue of across, clue number 2, is our nose gives us our sense of smell. As we all know that we smell through our nose, and our nose is our sense organ that help us to smell. So now you have to find number 2 in the puzzle horizontally, and then you have to write the complete spelling of smell as is already written over here. Now you just have to write MELL. Now you have to complete the other clues and the puzzle by yourself. I am going to read the clues to help you. Now first I am going to read the across clues, and then I'll read the down clues. Number 4, our sense of sight can help us to find out the dash of objects. As you know that a sense of sight helps us to find about so many things. For example, the shape, the size and the color of the objects. So now you have to write any one of them. Clue number 5 is a blind person has lost his sense of. What does a blind person do not have? His sense of sight. Clue number 7, we can tell whether food is salty by using our sense of dash. Now what does we do to tell the taste of something? Obviously we say the sense of taste tell us about the taste of something. Now these are the clues of across which you have to write horizontally. Now moving toward the clues of down, which you have to write vertically. Clue number 1 is our sense of dash tell us whether a sound is loud or soft. Now what tell us about the sounds, about the pitch of the sounds? Obviously of hearing. Clue number 3 is our dash gives us sense of taste. What organ does give us the sense of taste? Our tongues, right? Clue number 6 is we can tell that ice is cold by using our sense of. How can we tell that ice is cold? We can't tell it by just seeing it. We have to touch it to tell it now. So our sense of touch tell us that ice is cold. Clue number 8 is our skin, our dash give us sense of touch. What does give us a sense of touch? Our skin. Now you have to complete the puzzle by yourself. I think that is enough. You have get many hints, so now you have to complete the puzzle by yourself.